So this is the 1979 Cadillac Fleetwood Coupe de Ville de Marchand, 47,000 original actual miles. Wanted to let you guys hear it run, hear it fire up, so you know that I'm not messing around with the quality of the engine and transmission. I'm going to set the camera down so I can rev it up a little bit for you so you can listen to it from the back end. So there it is.